Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to record yourself in Canva. So I can open up any design, doesn't matter, it can be even a presentation or even a video file. So for example, I'm doing a presentation right here, then you just come here to uploads, okay? You need to access uploads from here. So for example, I'll just go ahead and click on this, anywhere, you can click on anywhere and then click on uploads. And then you'll see this option here that says record yourself, okay? So what I need you to do is go ahead and just click on this to record yourself, right? And now you need to allow permissions. So I'll click on allow while visiting this site. I'll also allow microphone. Okay. As you can see right here, we have allowed permissions. And now you will see the camera. You can go ahead and place your camera wherever you want. For example, let's say you want to place it right here. Okay. You can change the shape. You can add effects to this. You can add filters. You can mirror it. You can even turn it off. Whatever you want to do. And when you're ready, guys, just go ahead and click on record. As you can see, it is picking up my audio. So when I stop talking, the blue light will go off. And now when I start talking, it's there. So you just click on record. Okay. And it will do a countdown and it will start recording. As you can see right here, it's currently recording. And then you can go ahead and stop it. This is the face cam. I currently do not have a camera connected, but yours will show up right here. Then it will go ahead and click on a done, and then you can play it. So let's do this. We'll start recording. As you can see right here, it's currently recording. And there you go, guys. It is really that easy and simple. At the end, just come here and click on save and exit. And there you go, guys. Very, very easy and simple.